Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I don't think I even took my pills today. I always forgot. So this is a pill box, and this is going to be one that's supposed to look a little nicer than my other one that I kind of have, which is just a basic ugly one. So this is it here. Let's see, here's some instructions on it. We'll see if we can do it without the instructions. So let's see, we open it up here. And it should be like a week's long worth of instructions, and I think twice a day. So it says here, you can see here, you've got press and press. So I think you can go this way to get there. See, there's a week's worth of stuff here, and then we can press this side open, and there's a week's worth. So you could have morning and night, or you could have 2 weeks worth. So like you can see, these look like night and morning. Usually I take mine all at the same time, so I might just be able to use this for 2 weeks worth. So when I travel, or actually not when I travel, this one's staying on my counter. So when I have my counter, I can just open it up and go, okay, Monday, there's my Monday, take it out, and I'll show you guys how this is here. So you can take out the little section, and then you can open it up there, and then you got all your pills in there. I take a few pills, so that's why I wanted one that I could fit more in there. I was using one before that was just way too small. So here we go. So this is what it looks like here. You can kind of leave it on the counter, and it looks nice. It kind of looks, you see it's got that leather look on it. It's got that leather kind of texture. Oh, didn't close that side. But you can see it looks really nice. And so it just would look good sitting on a counter instead of pills sitting out, which is mine now. It's just a clear pill box. But super nice. I like this one. This is really good. So I'm gonna go put it in my bathroom and get it set up now. So now I'll have I'm gonna use it for 2 weeks worth of stuff, because I'm not gonna do the night stuff. I'm just gonna do each one for 2 weeks. So super cool. Thumbs up.